Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable with Google Sheets, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Navigate to the extensions menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Add-ons. Next, click on Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Airtable. Find the Airtable add-on in the search results. Click on it to open the details. Press the Install button to add it to your Google Sheets. After installation, return to the Extensions menu. Hover over Airtable to reveal more options. Select Open Airtable. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Log into your Airtable account by entering your credentials. Allow Google Sheets to access your Airtable data. Once logged in, choose the Airtable base you want to connect. Click on the desired base to expand its options. You will see the tables available in that base. Select the table you wish to import into Google Sheets. Review the fields available in the selected table. Choose the fields you want to include in your Google Sheets. After making your selections, click on the Import button. Your selected data will now populate in the spreadsheet. To update the data, go back to the Airtable sidebar. Click the Refresh button to retrieve the latest updates. If you want to create a two-way sync, you'll need to configure that in the settings. Return to your Airtable account to adjust any necessary preferences. Once everything is set up, your Airtable data will sync with Google Sheets seamlessly. Now you can easily manage your data between the two platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.